If you've been building a wedding website on Canva too, I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way on how you can add a live countdown timer so your guests know exactly how many days are left until they can celebrate with you. Whether you're starting from scratch or from a template, you should open up your website project and then find the space where you want your countdown timer to be placed in. And then you will need to go under Apps and find an Embed app. So this blue one. Okay. Now in a separate tab, you will open tcounter.com, where you can make and customize your countdown. It's free to use for personal websites or blogs with unlimited counters and up to 1 million monthly views. So it's perfect to use for a wedding website. Up here you can type in your wedding date. You can change the fonts, the colors, add backgrounds, and really customize the look to match your wedding website aesthetic. I'm just going to leave it all black and clean, and when you're done, you just click Make Countdown and copy this link here. Go back into Canva and paste it here at the top of your Embed app. Click Add to Design, and you'll see a new countdown timer just appeared on my selected section. Now you can, of course, change the size, and I also embellished it a little bit with just adding a square-shaped block in the background of our numbers. And because we don't want the watermark T to be visible on our wedding website, I'm just going to put another square block on top of it to hide it. So I'm just going to match the color to my background color and move it on top of it. So we're left with a nice clean layout. Now if you go to publish and see your website, you'll see the live countdown is already on and counting down the seconds until your wedding day. And just in case you've made a mistake or want to change the design, you can still just go back to your timer, change the colors or customize it further, and then just copy the link again. Then click on your timer in Canva and select the little edit icon here, the pen, and just replace the link. Pretty easy, right? If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. I'm happy to answer anything. But in case you don't want to start designing from scratch, feel free to browse our pre-designed wedding website templates so you can save some time and just swap the copy and the images, adjust the style to your wedding aesthetic, and get back to the fun part of planning your event.